Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Kraken to bank account. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser and in the search bar, you will have to type kraken.com. Afterwards, you need to provide your email address and your password and you simply need to log in into your account. Now, once you've successfully logged in, you first have to link your bank account with Kraken. For that, you need to click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner and select the option of payment methods. Here you will have to click on add payment method. Now over here you will be able to see the option of add a bank account. So if you click on this option, you will have to first verify your online banking services. So you will have to click on verify option. Then you will be landed on the next page where you need to provide your banking details like your bank account number, your name in your bank, IFSC code, SWIFT code, etc. After filling those details, you will have to just simply add your bank account with Kraken. Once done, you will have to come back to the home page again of Kraken again. Now in the left hand section, you will have to click on withdraw cash option. Over here, you will be able to see a bunch of different currencies that you can withdraw like Euro, USD, INR, etc. So you just have to choose your currency first and after that you will have to enter the amount that you want to withdraw. Then you simply need to press the withdraw button and after selecting your added bank account, you just have to confirm your withdrawal. This way you will be able to easily withdraw your money from Kraken to bank account. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.